Hey, my name's Charlie Plybon. I'm the Oregon Policy Manager for Surfrider Foundation, and I'm down here at South Beach Marina. It is the 2nd of June, 2021, and I'm here with Burke Hales from Oregon State University. Burke is the Chief Scientist and lead on PacWave, a research and wave energy project just south of us here from the marina south of Newport and just offshore. Burke, today's a pretty monumental day for PacWave and this wave energy test facility. You want to tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you are up to?
Sure. My name is Burke Hales. I'm a professor in the College of Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences at Oregon State University. And as Charlie said, I'm the Chief Scientist for the PacWave project. PacWave South is a cabled, fully energetic, utility-scale power production wave energy test facility. It's an important distinction there because what we're providing is the facility that the wave energy producers, the developers, can use to test their devices for seaworthiness, for efficiency, for power transmission and quality. PacWave itself doesn't actually make any wave energy devices. We provide the playing field, the facility for folks to test, and what we'll be able to do is allow transmission of up to 20 megawatts of power from the ocean back ultimately to the Central Lincoln People's Utility District power grid. It's a big day for us today because we just started construction for the site where we'll be drilling the underground conduits to install, right, Charlie?
That's right.
To install the undersea cables that will run from the shore out about 20 kilometers to the northwest of our shore landing site to the test facility, which is about 7 miles directly offshore of Newport, about due west of the airport.
So it's a pretty cool day, pretty monumental moment for this project. It's been some 10 years in the making now, and this is the first of its kind, really, in the United States and on the West Coast. Is that right, Burke?
Yeah, that's correct. It's the only of its kind in the contiguous U.S. There's a Navy-based facility in Hawaii that's smaller, a little bit more limited in scope and flexibility. This site is what we call pre-permitted, and so we've done, again, as Charlie said, about a decade's worth of work on the environmental impact and mitigation for any disturbances that the facility might have on the ocean. And the developers, as a result, don't have to do that permitting themselves. We've run permits for essentially all of the types of devices that might ever be plugged in. We've done the permitting and the surveying for the construction itself, and we're really excited to get it going here. Hope to have cables in the water in a year or two, and hopefully devices to start generate some test power in a year or so after that.
That's awesome. So what can beachgoers and other folks expect to see kind of this summer and as the project progresses?
Yeah, so the beach will be almost unimpacted. The drilling activity will be entirely underground, and by the time you get out to what you think of as the beach, the surf dry sand interface, the conduits will be nearly 100 feet deep. The tunnels that we're drilling will be lined with a very special steel and corrosion resistant pipe, the conduit, and we'll get those installed. The outcrop for where these conduits come up from underneath the seafloor will be about a mile offshore and about 50 feet of water. And the idea is that we'll drill from the park out to that depth and cap off those pipes where they come out below the seafloor, and then we'll come back and install the cables from the ocean side sometime in the future.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much. We're excited to follow this project along. Again, my name's Charlie Plybon with Surfrider Foundation. We are here at South Beach Marina with Burke Hales. Thanks so much, Burke.
My pleasure.